Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix Wi-Fi stopped working after updating to iOS or iPadOS 17. Several users have been complaining that they started having Wi-Fi issues after updating their iPad or iPhones. If you are dealing with sluggish internet, a dropping Wi-Fi signal, or the complete inability to connect on your iPhone or iPad, this video covers several steps to fix the problem. Anyone can encounter Wi-Fi issue unexpectedly if you are faced with a Wi-Fi problem you have not dealt with before. The iPhone or iPad indicates that it is connected to Wi-Fi but there is no internet. So in this video I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first step is update your iPhone or iPad. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on software update. Wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is restart everything. First you should restart your Wi-Fi router and then you should restart your iPhone. For this you just need to press and quickly release the volume up button and same with the down button and press the power button and then slide to power off, and after some time press the power button until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is turn off private Wi-Fi address. For this, go to settings and then tap on Wi-Fi and then tap on the eye icon next to your Wi-Fi network. Scroll down. Here you can see the option of private Wi-Fi address. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off and then tap on continue to confirm and you are done. And the next step is turn off VPN. Sometimes a VPN may cause issues with your connection. Some VPN software may have bugs or compatibility issues that could affect your network connection. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to bottom and then tap on VPN and device management and then tap on VPN. See if the VPN is connected. Tap on its toggle button to turn it off, or you can delete VPN. To delete VPN, tap on the eye icon next to your VPN network and from here you can delete VPN and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. For this, go to settings, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone and then tap on reset and then tap on reset network settings. It might ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this solution will fix your issue of Wi-Fi stopped working after updating to iOS 17, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.